I just want to recap the points what we discussed in the last session. The last class we were discussing about, who are the important persons in IT industry, like, vendor companies, service-based companies and clients, and the relation between all the three people. And the clients are playing important role in the IT industry here because clients are using the software applications in their business. The purpose of using software applications in their business is there are three major reasons. There are three major advantages we discussed in the last class. That is, time saving, security, and scalability, something else. Yes or no? So these are the points in the last class we discussed. And coming to the today's session, I'm going to discuss about the difficulties because whatever points we were discussed yesterday, that is only one side of the coin. And today I'm going to discuss about the other side of the coin. The other side of the coin is what here? Difficulties of using software applications. What are the difficulties actually? In fact, let us assume I'm going to give a small story kind of thing here. Okay. Listen carefully and follow me, all of you. Without any hesitation, you can ask the questions, please. Okay, fine. Let us assume I have a company called XYG company. For this company, I want some application. So I given this project a development company called, let us assume, TCS. So in this particular aspect, TCS is a development company or service-based company. And TCS need to develop the application as per the XYG company requirement. But here, TCS point of view, who is XYG? Come on. Obviously, is a client, right? Akanksha? According to TCS point of view, who is he? He is a client. So TCS need to develop the application as per the client requirement. Yes or no? Come on, guys, speak out.
Yes,
Akanksha and, yeah, Akanksha, please, prompt me. Otherwise, I do not understand whether you follow my class. Okay, keep on prompting me. Okay.
Actually, I'm on the way. I'm on the way to my home, so that's why I can't speak much, but I'll try my best.
I don't understand what you're speaking because your voice is breaking. Hello? Fine. I want to develop the application. So TCS need to develop the application as per the client requirement. Okay. So TCS point of view, who is he? XYZ is the client. If TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement, you're on the way to PG. Yeah. Okay, Akanksha, no issues. Okay, no issues, Akanksha. You please carry on. Okay, if TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement, okay, TCS need minimum 3 prerequisites. Okay, they need one programming language to develop some business application. And also they need some database to store the company's information. And also they need one operating system. So these are the three major essential things to develop any application for any client. Yes or no? One programming language, one database, and also an operating system. In this particular example, TCS decided to develop the application using a programming language called, let us assume, ABAP. So ABAP is a programming language and which is the proprietary language of SAP company. And they want to use database as a backend database, Oracle. Oracle database developed by Oracle company. And they want to use operating system Windows. Windows operating system vendor company is Microsoft. Now, Let me ask a question here. Is TCS wants to develop the application as per the client requirement? Is TCS can use any pirated software to develop the application? Yes or no? They are not supposed to use what? Pirated software to develop the application. Either client or development company, they need to buy original licensed software. They need to buy original licensed software from vendor companies. Understand all of you what I am speaking here? They need to buy original licensed software from vendor companies. Let us assume Windows operating system license cost approximately, 2 lakhs. I don't know what is the exact figure. Maybe Oracle database cost is around 5 lakhs. And programming language SAP cost approximately, license cost I can say, that is also, let us assume 5 lakhs. So total 12 lakhs rupees they need to invest here. And they bought all the 3 products from all 3 vendor companies. Using all the 3 products, development company TCS developed the application as per the client requirement. So tomorrow client employees are going to use this application. If they want to use this application, so client also need to buy all the 3 products from all 3 vendor companies. And they also need to invest about 12 lakhs rupees to bought all the 3 products. Good. In this particular example, both clients and development companies need to invest about 20 plus or 25 plus lakhs invested. Yes or no? Come on, guys. They bought the products and then they develop the application and client employees are using the application. That's different matter. And what is my question is, we are in software field. In the software field, software versions keep on changing. Yes or no? Come on. So whenever version will change, accordingly, both clients and development companies, they need to upgrade the software. Whenever they upgrade the software, they have to install the software and also they have to maintain the software. Maintain the software means what? They have to maintain their own database servers. They have to maintain their own networks. Okay. And they have to maintain their own application servers. So everything maintained by whom here? Both clients and development companies. So clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software, installing the software, and also what? Maintaining the software. So comprising of all these three, I can say, it leads to increase. It leads to increase the, setup cost. So the cost will increase like anything day by day for both clients and as well as development companies. So this is the traditional approach actually, in fact. Because in the traditional approach, the major problem is what here? Cost is going to increase for both clients and as well as what? Development companies. Why? Because they have to maintain their own software, they have to maintain their own servers, they have to maintain their own networks and firewalls. Okay, they have to install the software on their own, they have to upgrade the software accordingly. Okay, this is all related to what? Cost is going to increase like anything for both clients and as well as what? Development companies. Okay, guys, that is why I can say among clients and development companies, and also we have vendor companies. Among these 3 people, I can say vendor company people are the most visionary people in the market. Vendor company people are the most visionary people in the market. Do you understand what I am speaking here, guys? That is why vendor companies getting more profit, more business than what? The clients and development companies. I can say vendor company owners are the more richest fellows in the world. Out of top 10 billionaires in the world, out of 10 people, at least minimum 3 to 4 people belongs to vendor company owners only. If you take Bill Gates, if you take Larry Ellison, if you take any Mark Zuckerberg, who are these people? Vendor company owners. So vendor companies getting more business profit comparatively what? Clients and development companies. Why? Because clients and development companies, they need to keep on updating the software, installing the software, and maintaining the software. So these are the three major difficulties of using software applications. It leads to increase what? The setup cost. So to avoid this particular problem, that is the reason, because of the setup cost, only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications in their business. But not small companies or medium level companies. Why? Because small companies or medium level companies are not in the position to afford what here? Setup cost. That is the reason. Okay, these people not using software applications in their business. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. You people know about KFC. Suppose I'm going to the KFC. I go to the KFC, I ordered one burger there. If I ordered one burger there, a person who is standing in front of the computer or computer system, he feeds the order into the system. He given some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order, right? Tell me, guys, if you go to the KFC restaurant or McD or whatever it is, Papa John's, this kind of restaurants, or if you go any big hotels, okay, they're having its own software application and they're using computers in their business. Yes or no? Accepted, Akanksha? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So did you understand this example?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Suppose the same person, I go to some small bakery, okay, nearby home. In this bakery, I just order one burger there. This bakery owner do not maintain any computers, do not maintain any computer system or do not maintain any software. He just take my order, give the order to me, that's it. Now tell me, almost KFC and bakery business almost same. But why KFC using software applications to run the business? Why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world. KFC turner in crores, yes or no?
Yes, main reason is scalability. Like those local stores do not have those that much scalability in the market.
Yeah, whatever aspect you are talking, but ultimately the final point is what? Their business turn close. That is why they can
Right.
afford what? They can afford what? Setup cost here. That is the reason they can use what? Software applications in the business. But if you go to bakery, having only one branch, okay, bakery turnover maximum thousands or lakhs. That is why bakery owner cannot afford what? Software applications. Point clear.
Mm-hmm.
But in the world, top level companies are more, small, medium level companies are more, counting point of view. Obviously, small, medium level companies are more than what? Top level companies. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Why medium level companies and small companies are not in the position to use software applications? Because they cannot afford what? Setup cost. Yes or no? Tell me, if you reduce the cost, then automatically what happens? Even small, medium level companies also can use what? Software applications in the business. Understand all of you what I'm speaking here? Hello.
Yes.
Let us assume, I wore Calvin Klein Company t-shirt. Which company? Calvin Klein Company. This t-shirt cost is around 5,000 rupees. Tell me, out of 100 people, how many people can afford this normal night t-shirt cost 5,000 rupees? Maximum 5 people, 5 to 10. So company gets only 25,000 rupees profit. Profit in the sense business revenue. In case if the company reduces the cost from, 5,000 to 2,000 rupees, out of 100 people, okay, at least 80 people can afford this. So company gets how much business revenue here? 1,60,000. It means that once you reduce the cost, then automatically number of customers will increase. If number of customers will increase, you will get more business, more profit, right? Yes or no? Akanksha, can you hear me?
Yeah, right.
So if you reduce the cost, then automatically number of customers will increase in the market. But how to reduce the cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called, cloud computing. What is this? Cloud computing. What is
Cloud
cloud?
computing.
How cloud computing is is the avoid all these problems. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Cloud computing means it is a concept. I'm talking about the layman point of view, I'm explaining the meaning of cloud computing. Layman point of view. It's not a technical meaning. Layman point of view, I'm explaining what is exact meaning of cloud computing. It is a concept or it is a technology. In this technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we need, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only, internet connection and access those services. The layman point of view, this is the meaning of what? Cloud computing. It is a concept or a technology here, whatever services, IT services we need, all services are provided by vendor company. If you want to access these services, we just need only the internet service. We can access all the services. Point clear. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Suppose every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take printout. I want to check my mails and also I want to take the printout. What I have to do, if I want to check the mails, if I want to take the printout, first of all, I need to buy one laptop. Yes or no? Come on. Speak out. And also I need to buy one printer. I need to buy some white papers. And also I need to take some internet connection. Tell me, every month I need to pay the internet rent near about 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees. Yes or no? White paper cost approximately 500 rupees. Printer cost approximately 10,000. Laptop cost approximately 50,000. Near about 60 to 70,000 rupees I need to invest. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
Instead of investing 60,000 rupees unnecessarily, simply I'm going to some internet center, any cyber center. Okay. There I can check my mails and also I can take the printout. Yes or no? Tell me one simple question I'm asking. In the internet center, who provide all these facilities? Internet center owner. Yes or no? Tell me, who given the internet facility? Internet center owner. Who given the white papers to take the printout? Internet center owner. Who given the printer facility? Who given the systems? Everything provided by owner. Yes or no? As I go there, I can access all the services, whatever I want and how much I want. I just pay the amount and come back. Yes or no? Speak out. The way how internet center provided all these facilities, in the same way, whatever services we require, all these services are provided by a vendor company. The only thing what we require is what? We need just only what? Internet service. We can access all the services, whatever you want and how much you want. Point clear? This is called, pay-per-use model. What is the model name?
Pay-per-use. Pay-per-use, okay.
So pay-per-use model means the name itself implies how much services we are using. For those services only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. That is why this service can be called as pay-per-use model. Suppose take the example, okay, if I'm using 10 minutes internet in the internet center, I have to pay only 10 rupees. If I'm using 1 hour, I have to pay 40 rupees. If I'm using 3 hours, I have to pay 100 rupees. Yes or no? How much time I'm using and whatever services I'm using there. Based on that only have to pay. Same way here also, whatever services you require, okay, how much services you require, for those services only we need to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. That is why this model can be called as pay-per-use model. The other way around, pay-per-use model can be called as plug-and-play model. What is this? Or the other way around, we can call it as what? IT services on, what is this? Demand. Akanksha and the other guy, what is your name? Neelmani. If you understand this internet center example, hope you can understand the meaning of cloud computing.
Yes.
Yes or no? Because the way how it center
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
these facilities, same way here also all services are provided by vendor company. The only thing you require is what? Internet service, internet connection. We can access all the services. So that the advantage of cloud computing is both clients and development companies, they no need to upgrade the software. They no need to install the software. They no need to maintain the software. Maintenance, installation, upgradation, everything will be taken care of by whom here? Come on, guys. Vendor company. Is this clear now, guys?
Yes.
So am I clear this part of the explanation regarding the cloud computing means?
Mm.
Any questions you can ask?
No question.
Am I going fast?
No.
Neelmani, can you catch me?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, Neelmani got a doubt here. Sir, I understand the meaning of cloud computing, but what is my doubt is he keep on saying that vendor company provides services. What kind of services vendor company provides here? Vendor company basically provides three types of services. How many? Three types. Is anyone
Three
here?
types.
IaaS, PaaS, SaaS.
SaaS.
SaaS can also be called as AAS. Tell me, is anyone knows what is the full form of IaaS? Akanksha?
Infrastructure as a service.
Very good. Infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for
Platform as a service.
PaaS
Software as a service.
or application as a service. Okay. So these are the three services provided by vendor company. Now, first I'm going to discuss about what is the meaning of infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides, I can say, hardware as a service. Hardware as a service means they do not provide laptops, they do not provide any, mouse or some other things. Okay. Hardware as a service means, okay, they provided their memory space as a free service. Okay. They provided their own networks as a free service. Not free service, networks as a service. Okay. They provided their own servers as a service. All these comes under what here? Come on. Hardware, memory space, networks, and what is the next one here? Servers. Everything comes under what here? Hardware as a service. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. You people know about Google company. Google company given something called what? Google Drive. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
What is Google Drive as per your perception?
It is a storage that Google provides. It's a cloud. Actually, it's a cloud storage.
Or called cloud storage. That is nothing but memory space. How much memory space to us?
15
15
GB.
GB.
Okay.
It's a free service or not?
50 GB.
So in this example, Google company provided their memory space as a free service to all of us, right? Okay, we can store your applications, you can store your important documents, pics and all, right? Come on, your contact numbers and everything. So I can, this example, the vendor company Google provided their memory space as a service to all of us, yes or no? I can say this is the simple example for what? Come on.
Infrastructure as a service.
So hardware as a service means memory space, networks, servers, firewalls, everything comes under what here? Infrastructure as a service. Am I clear? Okay. And the second one is what here? Platform as a service. Platform as a service means, as I said before, if you want to develop an application, you should require some programming language. And also you need some backend database. And also we have something called what? OS. Without having these three, it is not possible to develop the application for any company, right? Come on, whether it's small application or bigger application, okay, you should require all these things. My question is, my point is, here vendor company provides all these three as a service. I can say it can be called as what? Platform as a service. Okay, for your better understanding, Salesforce company, given their own programming language, using that language, we can develop the application. You know what is that language name? Apex language. So Apex language given by Salesforce company, it's a proprietary language of Salesforce, just like SAP company programming language called ABAP. Same way, Salesforce company developed their own programming language name is called Apex. Using this language, we can develop the business application. Understand Akanksha and the other guy, what is your name?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Database name, operating system name, they did not disclose. What kind of database they're using backend, okay, whether they're using Oracle or Teradata or some other database, I don't know. But they do not disclose the name of what? Database. But they disclosed only the programming language name is called Apex. Understand? So if any vendor company provide all these three as a service, I can say it is the platform as a service. The platform which is given by Salesforce, is known as force.com. What is the platform name? Hello?
Force.com.
Force.com. That is a old name. The new name is called what here? Lightning platform. On this platform, developers can develop the application very quickly. That is why it can be called as RAD. Do you know what is RAD stands for? Rapid Application Development. Understand all of me? What is the meaning of rapid? Rapid means fast application development. We can develop the application very quickly on Lightning platform comparatively other technologies like Java.NET. If you take Java.NET, if you want to develop, any enterprise application is a combination of three different applications. That is called, business application plus CRM application plus, integration application. The combination of all the three applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. Business application handles only business activities. CRM application related to customer relation, how to maintain the customer interactions, okay? Customer problems, customer cases, how to give the solution for those problems. It is all related to CRM. And the last and final one is what? Integration application. Integration application means communication between the heterogeneous applications is called what? Integration application. So comprising of all the three applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. Regarding integration application, I'll give you some clarity about this. Integration application means, what is this? Communication between the heterogeneous applications. Yes or no? So, for example, BookMyShow application. So, I want to book a ticket through BookMyShow application. I want to go to a movie like, suppose Kalki movie I want to go. I open BookMyShow application here. Go to Hyderabad. We have different movies here. Click on Kalki here. Book tickets. So till this extent, where I am right now, I am the BookMyShow application, yes or no? Come on.
Hmm.
Let
Yes.
me enter my phone number. I'm selecting net banking application, HDFC Bank, click on make payment. Till this extent, where I'm in the BookMyShow application. And this BookMyShow application connect me to where? Come on. HDFC Bank net banking payment gateway, yes or no?
Hmm.
Come on. So here, two different applications are communicate with each other, right? Come on.
Right.
So BookMyShow application, let us assume developed on PHP technology. Maybe HDFC Bank application, they're developed by using Java and C++. So both are completely different technologies. But how this application able to communicate with HDFC Bank application? How these two applications are communicate with each other? Once we book the ticket through online through BookMyShow, some amount is getting debited from my account. Yes or no? Come on.
Hmm.
After that, I will receive the SMS in my mobile saying that some amount is debited from my account. And also I will receive SMS from a BookMyShow application on so and so date on so and so movie. That ticket has been confirmed. Yes or no? So once I will receive the SMS from BookMyShow application as well as HDFC Bank application, then only that itself is a proof the transaction completed successfully. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Right.
So how these two applications are communicating with each other? Between these two applications, there is another application plays an important role. That is something called what here? Integration application. So the combination of all the three applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. Am I clear this part of the explanation regarding enterprise application, all of you in the class?
Right.
Yes or no? If you want to develop the enterprise application using Java and .NET, it takes years to gather time. The same application we can develop on Force.com platform or Lightning platform. We can develop this application in very short span of time, guys. Why? Because comparatively Java and .NET, the coding part is very less in where Force.com. Coding part is very less. As I said yesterday, I discussed about the modules, right? Tell me 50% of the module is what? Completely based on what? GUI.
GUI.
Programming part is very less. I can say 60% coding, 40% what? GUI mode. We can develop the application on Salesforce only 60% through coding. Rest 40% through what? Come on.
GUI.
GUI. Because Salesforce always follows this mechanism. Mechanism in the sense what? This particular style I can say. That is no code concept, low code concept, and what is the next one here? Pro code. No code means without code, okay, we need to develop the application. If not, we have to go for a little bit code. So some business, business problems we cannot resolve, okay, without writing the code. That is why we have to go for what? Pro code concept. Salesforce always first priority is what? No code, low code priority. That is why, so application we can develop on force.com platform or Lightning platform very quickly comparatively what other technologies. Understand what I'm speaking here? Yes or no? That is why Salesforce market share as per last financial year 2023, okay, it is around 21.5% market share, world market share. Comparatively, what other big companies like, Microsoft, Adobe, SAP, I'll show you right now. It is not my words. You can type in the Google here. Salesforce market share 2023. See, 21.8%. Salesforce ranked #1 CRM, 10th consecutive year, continuously 10 years. Salesforce 2023 financial year point of view, Salesforce market share is 22.1%. Where is Microsoft? 5.7, Oracle 4.7, SAP 3.8, Adobe 3.5. If we combine all these 4 companies, it is not reaching to what? Salesforce. Point clear? Hello? Especially in the pandemic time, 2019, 2021 around, first 2 years, I can say Salesforce is the only company serving the market, especially in the pandemic time. Understand? Hello?
Yes.
So that is the importance of Salesforce here. So I hope you understand the platform as a service. So on this platform, whatever application you develop, if you give this application as a service, then that kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Understand everyone in there? Software as a service or application as a service. For your understanding, I'm giving a simple example again. Google company given what? Gmail application. Using this application, what we can do? We can send and receive the emails. Yes or no? Come on. Tell me who downloaded this application? Google company. Who maintained the Gmail server? Google company. Who upgraded the Gmail server? Google company. Everything will be taken care by Google company only. As a user, if I want to access this application or if you want to use this application, the only thing I require is what? Internet facility. If I have this facility, I can happily access this application. So in this example, the vendor company Google provided Gmail application directly as a service to all of us. And this kind of service, I can call it as what? Software as a service or something called what? Application as a service. Do you understand this example? Okay. So here, I can say Google is the world's #1 company which provides software as a service, whereas Salesforce company is the world's #1 company which provides platform as a service. And coming to infrastructure as a service, I can say Amazon is the world's #1 company which provides what? In the area of infrastructure as a service. Understand? Amazon is the world's #1 company which provides what? Infrastructure. Salesforce is the world's #1 company which provides platform. And whereas Google is the world's #1 company which provides what? Application as a service. That is why out of 100 people, 90 people having Gmail application. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
They are using Gmail. Point clear? So these are the three services provided by vendor company. Okay. So far, last almost 50 minutes of class, we just discussed about the difficulties of using, software applications. And what is cloud computing? With example. And also we were discussing about types of, services provided by vendor company. So these are the 3 points in today's class. Last 50 minutes we were discussed. Hope you understand all these points. Yes or no? Akanksha and
Yes.
Neelmani. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you have any doubts regarding all this?
No.
Okay, fine. So next class, okay, we will discuss about something called, versions of Salesforce and environments of Salesforce. And we have something called what? Editions of Salesforce. All these 3 topics I'm going to discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay, Akanksha, Neelmani.
Okay.
So that is all about today's session. Hope you understand the class.
Yeah.
I'll catch. Thank you all. Have a nice day.